Hello friends, today we are here for our another recipe, Veg Gold Coin recipe. So let's welcome to my channel Pallavi's Paradise, and here we will start our recipe. And so we need 7 to 8 bread slices. Cut them with a round cutter shape or bowl. And so firstly here I have taken 4 slices of bread. Now I will cut them with a round cutter shape with the help of this bowl. And so here I have cut this slice of bread in a round shape. Now I am taking another slice to cut in a round shape. And so we are ready to make a recipe. So take a boiled potatoes and smash it with the smasher like this. Smash like this. These are hot potatoes, just I have boiled and taken and smashing. Properly I am smashing it is. And here in the bowl I have added chopped carrot, onion, ginger garlic and green chili paste, coriander. And here I have added green chili sauce and tomato sauce here. These all are ingredients, take as per your choices guys. And now I am adding oregano, or if you have mixed herb you can add a mixed herb also. If you don't have oregano you can add that also. Now mix it well, mix it properly. All the ingredients should mix it well with these potatoes and keep aside. And for corn flour slurry I am mixing it with the water and make a slurry of this corn flour. This corn flour and water, mix it properly guys. Please subscribe, like and share to my channel if you like my recipes guys. Thank you so much. Now spread corn flour slurry into the slices one by one like this I am showing in this video. And now spread potato mixture into the slices one by one. And here you can see, you should tap it like this and spread it well on the slices. For again we will take this corn flour slurry and we will add black pepper, salt in slurry. Here I am adding black pepper and then little bit of salt I am adding in the slurry. And then apply the corn flour slurry on the stuffing side of the slices. Mix it well firstly. Now here we need sesame seed. Apply the sesame seed over it and do with all the slices. And now here I will take pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil and shallow fry these coins with the bread slices until golden and crispy. Usually we deep fry these gold coins, but I don't want to fry this deeply, and so here I am just shallow frying it, adding 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan and frying till it gets golden and crispy. This shallow fry process will take little bit of time, and so we just need to flip and then fry it until it takes golden and crispy. And so here I need 1 tablespoon of oil again. Let fry it properly because we have added carrot in this, so we need to fry it properly with this sesame seed. Should crack it well, then it will take good taste. And then here I am flipping these slices of bread, and so you can see here the bread color have changed. You can see how nice brown color it is looking. And here again we need to flip the slices of this bread, and here we'll flip all the slices of this bread, and it should be cooked well guys. And you can see here how sesame seed color have also changed. And we are done with this fantastic recipe guys. Serve hot crunchy gold coins. Thanks for watching my videos guys. Thanks a lot.